and I'm the Engagement Officer at the Norfolk Wildlife Trust. I'm speaking to you today from this beautiful place, Thompson Common, which is one of our nature reserves and the location of some of our work with the National Lottery Heritage-funded project, Breck's Fen Edge and Rivers Landscape Partnership Scheme. This site is in the heart of the Brecks, an area famous for its dry climate and extreme temperatures. It is, however, also an area of wonderful lush wetlands and ancient water bodies dating back to the last ice age. I'm going to give you a snapshot of some of the wonderful habitats and wildlife that can be found here at Thompson Common, which will hopefully give you an idea of why it's such a special place to visit. This is likely to be the first habitat you come across if you visit, wet woodland. With its water, crooked trees and twisted vines, it feels very much like entering a jungle or swamp. This habitat is fantastic for many woodland bird species such as wrens, robins, nuthatches and tree creepers, as well as many mammals such as deer, voles and shrews. As you walk along the woodland path and emerge into the sunlight, you will see several ponds like this one. These special pools of water are called pingos. They date back to the last ice age when the woolly mammoths roamed this part of the world. Back then, water below the surface of the ground froze, forming lenses of ice. As temperatures rose, these lenses melted, forming pools of water. Today, these beautifully clear ponds are home to an amazing array of wildlife, including 400 species of plant, 600 species of water beetles, great crested and smooth newts, common frogs and toads. These pingos are also what makes this site one of the best places in the UK for dragonflies. The pool frog is one of the most important animals at Thompson Common. This native species went extinct in the 1990s, only to be reintroduced back here in 2015. You can tell the difference between the pool frog and the common frog from the yellow line that runs down its back. Also, it lays its eggs in May and June rather than February and March, as the common frog does. Finally, the male pool frog has two big pouches or balloons on its throat, which it uses to make loud calls to attract a mate during the breeding season. As you can see, this site has fantastic habitats and is home to an amazing array of different wildlife, some of which is very rare. I've given you a taster of what can be seen here today, but now come and see it for yourself.